Imagine walking into a classroom where the weight of deadlines and expectations hangs heavily in the air. For many students, this pressure is a quiet companion, one that hides behind tired eyes and anxious glances. Rahul knows this feeling all too well. At 19, with notes stacked high and tests looming, anxiety sometimes makes every task feel impossible. But there's a place where those heavy feelings can be shared, where worries turn into words, and support is just a conversation away. This is the promise of MTS mental health support. Here, students gather and open up, discovering that their struggles aren't a burden they must carry alone. In one-on-one sessions, the caring guidance of a counselor helps transform overwhelm into hope. It's okay to feel this way, a gentle voice assures. Together, we'll find your path forward. MTS doesn't stop at just talking. With workshops and activities, students learn practical tools, mindfulness, relaxation, resilience. They build skills to face challenges not just in the moment but for life. And slowly something changes. Shared experiences foster connection. Students like Rahul find themselves laughing, reaching out, supporting, and thriving together. Because with MTS, support is more than a service. It's a community. It's the reminder that you're never alone. Here, you can connect. You can heal. You can thrive.